today we are here with the award-winning MC Barber.
Hey guys, this is MC Barber. It's nice to be back. I haven't done a video in a while now, and today I decided to do a video for you with scissor work. Uh, and I usually do this spontaneously. I don't really plan this. When I see a client that has long hair, I usually ask if I can record it, and I just record. So here we have older gentlemen with hair. This type of haircuts are actually common in barbershops, and they usually ask for scissor cuts. They don't really like clippers much. So here I'm using the scissors. The scissors I'm using are shark fin. They are 6 1/4, 6 inches and a quarter, and they are monarch. Um, so scissor over comb is really the most common scissor technique that you use in a barbershop in salons. It is important when you do scissor over comb that your stationary blade, as you can see there, is parallel to the spine of the comb and only using your thumb. So this is in particular important for the students, as I understand a lot of schools around the country actually watch my channel, and the students are learning from these videos. That's very important that you learn how to properly use scissors, that you only move your thumb, that you do not open and close using both sides. Your stationary blade should be parallel to the spine of the comb at all time. Do not be discouraged because this, if you find this difficult, this technique actually does take a long time to master. It really, it's a technique that takes time, but practice makes it perfect. One thing I would recommend to the students that are able to do this, is to come and see me before you start going to school for a barber, that I can train you properly for 5 days. I have the apprenticeship program, 5 days, so you can see the fundamentals of all different techniques. That way, that while you are in school, you can, practice the MC Barber system, which is really efficient. It covers basically all areas of barbering: the scissor work, the clipper work, the razor work, which is really dead today. Almost nobody does it. And styling, which is also very, very, today people don't really practice or do styling. They, hardly at all. It's probably coming strange that you guys don't understand. You say, well, we see hairstyles, but I get even educators in my shop come for classes to learn how to blow dry and style. It is easy to just blow dry hair and dry it and push it back or to the side, but to learn how to create the waves, how to manipulate the roots and so on, it's really not easy, and not many people can do it. Here, as you can see, how my stationary blade is really stationary; it doesn't move. Only my cutting blade is moving. I have a class on the 23rd of April, which is coming up, which is not this Sunday coming up, it's the following Sunday, April 23rd. And it's 8-hour class. For more information on that class, you can go to my website, mcbarber.com. It's 8-hour class. It's hands-on. We'll be working on the 2 hours on scissor work, 2 hours on clipper works, 2 hours on razor, and 2 hours on blow drying and styling. It's really intensive 8-hour training, and it's $400 for the day. It's really worth every penny. The amount of knowledge you get, it's unbelievable. So there is still a few spots left if you guys are interested. mcbarber.com, and you can definitely contact us also via our phone number, which is 860-995-5779. I will just mention quickly here, I will be competing in September in a fade category in Paris, France. If I have any fans from France and they have long hair, it has to be at least in centimeters. It has to be 6 centimeters on the top, 3 centimeters on the nape area and the side area, or probably like I believe 2 inches on the back and 4 inches on the top. You can contact me via email mctbarber@gmail.com and see if you can be my model for France in September. The hair has to be dark. If it's not very dark, we can color it. So the scissor haircuts might take slightly longer than when you are using clipper because everything is done manually. The actual duration of this haircut was 21 minutes, I believe. But it's really, sometimes I enjoy doing this type of work. Doing the same thing every day, fade after fade after fade, it kind of gets, boring to some extent. So it really is nice sometimes to change around and do razor cuts, scissor cuts. I do like almost style every haircut now. Before it wasn't like that. You just do a haircut and put some gel and that's it. Now in my barbershop we actually finish every haircut. We style every haircut. As of right now, we actually don't charge for that service. It's part of our service, but down the road we probably will. And to finish here, I'm using my Slimline Pro edgers. I was really waiting for those T outliner by Andis, the gray ones, but they kind of went crazy, man. I mean, they were selling them up to $200 for edger. I mean, that's insane. Um, and really, I'm not sure what's so special about them to be $200. So I stayed with my Slimline Pro. Slimline Pro actually are very nice edgers. The only problem these edgers have is something with the switch. The switch breaks, it loses the contact. But besides that, they are actually very nice edgers. As well, the magic clips. I was waiting for cordless seniors. I say don't buy cordless seniors by wool yet. There is something wrong with the spring in them. As a matter of fact, I heard that they actually will not be producing them until December again. So I'm not sure what's going on with that clipper. I had to go back and buy some more magic clips. So I'm not sure what happened with wool clippers. That something was not right with them, with the seniors. So I did not buy seniors. And they raised the price on them like crazy, and the quality was not there too. So that was like really crazy. Guys, next Sunday, not this coming Sunday, the next Sunday, the 22nd, is Connecticut Barber Expo. I will be having a booth there. I will be right next to Shark Fin. As a matter of fact, I am with the Shark Fin scissors. And stop by and see us, Shark Fin, MC Barber. The reason I chose Shark Fin over all other companies, I basically have really, I don't even know, a drawer full of scissors. I have scissors from Jaguar. I have scissors from Mizutani, Geki, I mean, my drawer is full of different scissors. Now the scissors are, you can also compare something like cars. You have BMW, you have Audi, you have Mercedes, you have, when it comes to high-end scissors, it's what you prefer, what feels good in your hand, what you like. But one thing I liked about shark fin is the price. Really, for the price you pay, I mean, you get, you get what you pay for. So that's really what I liked about them, and that's why I went with them. As they are actually very good scissors. I'm actually very happy with them. But they are at least a couple $100 cheaper than their competitor. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. This is MC Barber. Until next time, take care of yourself. This is your final product. I want to give shout out to my son Hamza who edited this video. Thank you so much, too, buddy.